Hello, my name is Bill Edgett. Today is it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, November 5th, 2025, and my trial is supposed to begin today. So I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, and I went on to Grok and asked Grok to help me prepare a brief because Judge Delaquist said he would allow me to submit a brief today. So I've prepared a brief, and I plan on going to the courthouse right now to file it and submit it before our case, which starts at 9:30. It is now 8:23. Courthouse opens at 8:30. Also, Elon Musk offered to pay legal fees for people who were fighting against free speech charges. He helped Chris Elston, a Canadian, fight the Minister of Australia against a fine he was charged with. They basically fabricated a charge against him because he was peacefully protesting. So he sought the help of Elon Musk, and he won against the Minister of Australia in that case. So I asked Grok if my case meets the criteria of that, because it's my ex is being provided legal representation by William Watts, and since the case has been joined with the ministerial case against me, her whole case and evidence has been prepared by the Department of Social Development and the Crown Prosecutor of St. John and William Watts. Meanwhile, I have been denied legal representation, and I've appealed the decision because they denied me, saying that I didn't fill out the forms to have the legal aid certificate transferred to another lawyer. They said the legal aid certificate was with Jonathan Martin. Now I have the email printed off as an exhibit from Jonathan Martin to Melanie Cassidy, the director of Legal Aid New Brunswick, where he informed her that he would not accept the legal aid certificate and I would have to pay him, and I paid him the fee in the amount of $12,000, and I have the receipt for that, and I've already submitted that to the court. And at trial, for my G application hearing, I wanted to submit the email between Jonathan Martin and Melanie Cassidy to show she was presenting a false narrative and misleading facts to the judge and to the court, but I was denied the opportunity to testify or present evidence, which is why I filed my appeal. So now I'm going in to file my brief, and a law firm contacted me yesterday, and they told me to request a continuance, and if I was granted a continuance, to contact them, and we could start going through the process of hiring them to represent me. So I was going through the list of every family lawyer in the province, and I didn't get through them all, but I got through many, and a couple had responded to me, but they said they weren't able to take it on because the case was happening this week. So this law firm, I spoke with them numerous times yesterday, and they said that if I could get to ask for continuance, and if I could get a continuance, then I could meet with them and start the process of hiring them to represent me. Because I don't think I can competently represent myself. My doctor doesn't think I can competently represent myself. This case was adjourned in April before that fact, and Judge Hackett wanted a letter from my family doctor, Mary Jarrett, to confirm that I was not capable of representing myself. And she provided a letter. Lindsay Genier said that a follow-up with my condition would be done in June, but Lindsay Genier, Scott Larson, Deborah Hackett, or Judge Dennis Quiss, no one has followed up with my doctor to determine whether or not I'm healthy enough to return or able to represent myself. Judge Delaquist has the letter that was provided to Judge Hackett by Mary Jarrett. So now they are looking to move forward with the trial today without ever receiving confirmation from my doctors that I am able to return to court or to be able to represent myself. And that is one of the reasons why I am filing this brief and asking for a continuance so I may hire this law firm that has offered to meet with me and discuss terms for representation. I'm on my way to the courthouse now to file my brief.